Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars and students, respected fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters, presence of doctors, ministers, professionals and officials, the most respected present Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, your presence is really praiseworthy, admirable and appreciable. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all heartily, cordially. "100% present sense of mind provide us really the truth of science and spirituality. All the listeners from the field of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering, know this thing that being a true researcher, scientist, doctor, minister, he is to adopt the fundamentals of life. All kind of grammars of all subjects. When a child starts to learn from sound and light, these are the two elements that we have around us in the presence of God or Lord. Animals communicate each other, birds communicate each other, plants communicate each other, but they don't know any grammar. Who is their trainer? Who is their doctor? Who is their caretaker? Who is the maker of them? In the form of sound and light, God exists. Where there is no light, no sound, we can recreate, we can refound that power which is omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, almighty with us. Nobody can say he is alone, because loneliness, solitude, in adverse circumstances, in calamities, diversities, natural disasters, is the great blessing and grace of God. There should not be depression, frustration, anger, avariciousness, lust, ego, which spoils the talent and manner of the human beings. The true spiritual aim of soul is to get salvation and emancipation from this materialistic world. It means not that physically we are to sacrifice, but we are to maintain gap mentally. For moreover, our spiritual sense of our soul, we must try to understand the presence of God in the ability of the natural elements and objects. Our human body is made by 5 elements: air, fire, soil, sky and water. Our starters, beginners, initiators, those who were the inventors of the different religions, those who have written the mega science, they were the true starters, beginners of our spiritual education. They spent their lot of time with natural communities, with natural meetings, with natural conferences, and thought the idea of humanistic, sympathetic, compassionate. These things made them natural, common, simple, and the resourceful person of the society and nation. Sacrifice, patience, hard working, sincerity, these are the decorative and ornamented pieces of life that embellishes the human life. Sometimes some questions from the IELTS students we ask, can you tell us your favorite singer? Whenever we talk about our favoritenesses, then our mind starts researching who is our role model, who is the ideal, who is the favorite. Definitely at our home, in our relations, we try to remember them, we try to recollect them, but the persons, those who were the maker of our elders, respected persons, they were the starters, beginners, initiators, like Swami Vivekananda, who emphasized upon the one idea, one nation, one man. Time and again he speaks about the oneness, and he expressed the message, one is the biggest power in the world. If we want to know the power of one, then we must go through unrelenting, unceasing, unstopping efforts of continuity, regularity, without stoppage, unread, unlistened, unspoken, unseen, invisible. So these thoughts, these ideologies take us towards the originality and reality of life. In English literature, students study. There are two philosophies, two ideas. One idea say that everything has created by imitation. And as per the theory, as per the ideology of Plato, everything has come in the form of existence with ideas. Means idea comes first. No doubt the height of ideas turn us towards the reality, and the height of reality turn us towards the ideas. Both of these kind of life are right at their own level. We cannot ignore one, and we cannot say right and wrong about the level of ideas and thoughts and realities. If one is not happy by his realities, then he must turn towards imagination. And if someone is the most imaginative but he feels unhappy, then he comes on the earth of realism. While maintaining our lifestyle, our routine, our nature around us tell us how to spend our life friendly and familiarly. This is the nature that provides us its own familiarity and friendliness. If we want to know, if we want to spend the life happier, sympathetic, satisfied, compassionate, and humanistic, then we must remember our starters, beginners, initiators. Yes, of course, no doubt. I like many singers, starters, writers, directors, composers of the literature. Sometimes we ask these questions from the IELTS candidates: do you celebrate your birthday? Now the answer: no. Perhaps you know. Yes. Now I am an adult, and so I don't celebrate my birthday as I used to do in the past. According to me, the children up to the age of 10 to 11 look nice, while celebrating their birthdays. Now the responsibilities are so heavy that I don't have any time or liking for such occasions. Now I go to the temple to offer my prayers on the day. How do the children celebrate their birthdays in your city or state? Different people celebrate their birthdays in different ways. Usually, the children are very excited about their birthday celebrations. They invite their friends and make arrangements at home. Evening time is usually the preferred time because the people can reach after their office hours. Sweets and snacks are made available. Children and the parents dance to the tunes of a DJ. Gifts are given and taken. Some people prefer some hotels or restaurants for the purpose. Who is our true friend? Who is our true traveler of our soul? He who never leaves us alone. He who is the true speaking partner of life. He is always with us inside our body, inside our mind, inside our heart. Doctor is inside and patient is inside. As per the thoughts of spirituality, routine meditators know this thing. They feel this thing. They have one power with them who never leave them alone. So he is our true friend, spiritual friend. Whenever we call him by his name, by his words, he comes. If someone does not know the word, then he also comes. But we are to be true human being, we are to be honest for the nature, then we can feel his presence in every particle of the earth, on the universe. In the universe, every universal body, whatsoever we have around us, that is the form of God. So gentlemen, you are to note down and you are to understand this concept of originalities, realities of life. Sometimes you are asked that, do you play any game? And the answer of the answerer is, no doubt, I am not a professional player, but I am fond of watching and playing football. I play football just for the love of it. I play this game in the evening. There is a playground near our residential area. Boys of my colony assemble there and play this game. Sundays are very good days for playing a match. Usually we arrange a match with a team of some of other locality or club. But one true game that is being played with the satanic powers, with our soul, where there is the judgment of only and only of our Lord, super spiritual Lord, who He is always with us. If you want to be true winner, if you want to defeat our satanic powers, then we are to be rejuvenated, to fight with the avengers, revengers of our soul. Those who always disturbs our mind, always disturb our spiritual power, never let us free to get self-confidence. How we can be confident? Who can make us confident? There is no medicine, no market in this modern time, in this dark age. These are only the words. This is only the light and sound of God that can give us, that can provide us the real, perfect, ecstatic joy of life, permanent joy of life, not temporary. Who is our true sports person. Sometimes we recollect the name of some persons from the field of sports. Why do we forget that sportsman who is the maker of sports? So, gentlemen, researcher, doctor, management members, advertisers, administrators, advocates, for every human being, bottom to top, root to fruit, they are to be one with the super spiritual power. With the blessings and grace of God, we can gain, attain, obtain the perfect, complete salvation and emancipation of our soul. Very some rare persons, only some persons pay attention towards these things. O man, being an honest and sincere, we are to be careful about our soul. We are not the puppet and victim in the hands of spoilers, devastators, but our soul is free to flow in the freedom of sky. Its speed is uncounted, numberless. Thanks again for listening these true words and ideas. I again thank our present Prime Minister, who is turning our politics towards the religious politics. Thanks.